5 Common Myths About ECBA Certification. Debunked. The Entry Certificate in Business Analysis, ECBA, is a well-known certification. It is for those new to business analysis. It provides foundational knowledge and skills essential for success in this role. This video will debunk 5 myths about the ECBA certification. It will clarify its value, requirements, and benefits. ECBA certification is only for experienced professionals. A common myth is that the ECBA certification is for only seasoned business analysts. The ECBA is for those new to business analysis or looking to switch to this field. It provides key knowledge and skills for a career in business analysis. They are essential for success. ECBA certification is not valuable in the job market. Another myth is that the ECBA certification is not valued in the job market. This myth is false. Employers worldwide respect the ECBA. It shows a commitment to growth and a grasp of business analysis. Many employers see the ECBA as a valuable credential. ECBA certification requires extensive study time. Some believe the ECBA certification needs a lot of study. This can deter many, but this is not always true. The ECBA certification aims to be accessible to all, regardless of prior knowledge. ECBA certification guarantees a job in business analysis. A myth about the ECBA certification is that it guarantees a job in business analysis. The ECBA certification can boost your job prospects and give you an edge, but it does not guarantee a job. Getting a job in business analysis also depends on other factors. ECBA certification is not relevant for non-business analysis roles. Some believe the ECBA certification is for only aspiring business analysts. But ECBA training can help in many roles, not business analysis. Many jobs value skills in business processes and stakeholder communication. Conclusion. In conclusion, the ECBA certifies a solid foundation for new business analysts. Despite the myths, the ECBA certification is accessible and valuable. It is relevant to many professional roles. We aim to clear up the benefits of ECBA certification. To do this, we will debunk some common myths. The ECBA certification can help your career.